guys, this is me, Misty with you, and today I'm going to show you how to enable split screen view on your Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G. I guess you can also do it on your Android phones, especially Samsung that runs Android 10. So to start with, i-open natin yung mga apps na gusto natin makita in split screen mode. So for me, I have them on my recent apps. I have YouTube here, I have WhatsApp here, and I have the browser. So it's very easy. I-hold nyo lang yung icon sa top. Let's say the browser. You will have these 5 options. Choose option number 2, which is open in split screen view. So automatic, kung ano yung una yung pinili, siya yung nasa top portion for now. And I would like to choose, let's say WhatsApp. I'll just tap on that. So as you can see, yung Google ko, yung browser ko nasa taas, and my WhatsApp, it's at the bottom. I have the option of changing the size. Kung mas gusto ko mas malaki yung WhatsApp ko or mas malaki yung browser ko, ayan siya. And also, later on, you can also change that. Kung gusto niyo yung WhatsApp yung nasa taas, ayan yung arrow. Just hold on that blue line that separates the two app. Ayan. I-click niyo yung dalawang arrow at magpapalit siya. Yung WhatsApp na yung nasa taas. See? So, for na, if I want to change the app, lagi niyong tatandaan, yung nasa taas na app, hindi siya mapapalitan. So, right now, if I want to open, let's say I want to change this browser into another app, I'll just minimize the screen and click on my YouTube. Tandaan nyo, look at this again guys. Yung nasa taas yung WhatsApp, yung nasa baba yung browser ko. So right now, when I minimize that and I go to YouTube, mapupunta si YouTube sa baba. See? Cool, right? And say I don't want the WhatsApp. I'll just click on this blue line again, put YouTube on top. Ayan, so see WhatsApp nandito na sa baba. I want to change WhatsApp. I want to remove it. So I'll tap on my browser. So nandiyan na yung browser ko sa baba ulit. So you can always change whatever's at the bottom. So pero pwede nyo rin siyang iakyat, diba? By doing this, tapping on the blue line, holding on the blue line, and clicking on the switch window. There. So I hope you guys learned something new today. I hope you can use this multitasking app, split screen view to multitask, because very useful, especially to those of you who are really busy or working, and let's say you are searching for something here and while watching your YouTube videos. So this is really helpful. So I hope you guys find this interesting and helpful. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet to the channel, you can go to my channel, Misty, and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you find it helpful and interesting. Thank you so much, guys.